running for the position of member of the party. So, basically, yung mga ginagawa ko this year. And then, what I plan for Memra is for it to be a home, to make an impact, and to recognize members. First, establish AMS as a home organization for math and music. How? Through Math Explosion, a project we proposed during PAP, or it's a talk or guide for math majors and for non-math majors to actually fall in love with. And then, second one is to provide members its benefits and needs, like through through projects that we actually have, and for them to realize what can it do for them. Next one is to improve existing projects to create impact on members. One is the fixed dates. I planned that as early as the start of the first sem, naka-assign na yung dates, and then possible na mag-change siya due to problems like long reservation. And then, next one is high attendance sana. And then, improve family, since family is one of the core projects ng AMS, and if family is in its ideal state, it could really help AMS to attain high attendance. And then, next one is experience project heads. I plan na pag nag-meeting ng project heads, at least one of them have an experience or have been a core sa project na ina-apply. And then, second one is full of host. For full of host, I plan for a more organized and official host assignment and more training. Next one, member recognition, acknowledgement and appreciation. One is through CAM. How? I plan to ask each department head to provide one member that will be featured for Know Your AMS member, and actually it will be 4 members per month. 3 coming from each department head, and 1 is randomly chosen. Second one is mandatory acts. It's for member relations member for at the start of the first sem, for me to know them, and for me to know kung ano yung gusto nila for AMS, and kung anong nasisi nila sa future ng AMS. And then hopefully ito yung sample ng what you've done and kung sino ka talaga. And then yun, vote for me so for member